Snyder with a pinch hit double yesterday as he hits one into left center. Brendan Ryan got handcuffed by it. 2 will score. It's 8-2. Not sure if Brendan Ryan was distracted by the runner Wellington Castillo. That ball was hit hard, bounced past Ryan, and it'll be a hit.
You see Castillo take his lead off second, may have screened Brendan Ryan. Also that and the fact the ball was really slicing off the bat of Brad Snyder. It looked like it started right at Ryan and sliced back toward third base. He tried to reach across and make a backhanded play from a knee.